Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm a sewing tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a toile. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. A toile is a mock-up of your garment which you can make adjustments and modifications to. It's especially useful for fitted parts of a garment like bodices. Start by cutting out your pieces from calico in your chosen size. Follow the pattern's construction to sew your toile together. You don't need to do any trimming or finishing as you go. Try on your toile inside out. See how it fits and you can visually see which seams or parts will need adjusting. If you made any adjustments to your toile, make sure you mark what you did on your traced pattern pieces so you can replicate them again on your final garment. Top tip: change your thread colour if you're making multiple adjustments so you can record the order you made them and what did or didn't work. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. We'd love to read your comments. And join us for more videos soon.